Okay, today we are going to start that is called as Deuteromycetes, and this Deuteromycetes fungi is otherwise called as the fungi imperfect. Why it is called fungi imperfect? Because no sexual stage is found. So for which it is called as the imperfect fungi. And this Deuteromycetes is also regarded as the higher fungi. It is the higher fungi. It is the higher fungi. Got it? Now let's start. It is possible that only asexual mode of reproduction is found, and this is by means of conidia. So we already discussed in our last class what is conidia, and they have vegetative stage, but sexual stage is totally absent, or if present is shifted to the another class. What the sexual stage, if present, is present in another class, is shifted to another class, but not in Deuteromycetes. The Deuteromycetes have a linkage, that is, it has a linkage but between the perfect stage and an imperfect stage. And the Deuteromycetes produce only asexual spores. Only asexual spores are produced, and that is called as conidia. So no sexual reproduction. No, they don't have any sexual reproduction. As they don't have any sexual reproductions, so it is called as imperfect fungi. Imperfect fungi. The mycelium is septate and branch. Yes, the mycelium is septate, as we have already discussed that the myceliums are septate and the myceliums are branched. Yes, the myceliums are branched. Yes, they are septate and branch, and they have central pore in between them. They do have central pore in between them. So this is the condition of higher fungi, and also we find this type of condition in the mycelium of Deuteromycetes. Okay. Some of them habitat are of saprophytes, that means they survive on dead organic matter, and some are parasite, they survive on living host. So due to this nature, they are regarded as the best decomposer. They are also called as the best decomposer, as large number of litters or the leaves or the tree are decomposed by this particular group of fungi, and for which it helps in mineral cycle. So it helps in mineral formation. So this organic matter is converted to mineral formation by decomposer method, and this decomposer method is well being found to be present in Deuteromycetes. Alternaria is the best example of Deuteromycetes. Like that, Colletotrichum is also the best example of Deuteromycetes. Trichoderma is also the best example of Deuteromycetes. These three are very important examples, mostly comes in entrance exam. And Helminthosporium oryza. Oryza means rice. So this fungi, this Deuteromycetes causes the leaf spot disease on rice plant, and commonly called brown leaf spot of rice. Got it? This disease, Helminthosporium oryzae, causes leaf spot, brown leaf spot disease on rice plant, and this disease causes the Bengal famine in 1942 and 43. So it is great destructions on rice on Bengal, and so it is called as the Bengal famine is caused by this particular. Alternaria solani causes early blight of potato, whereas Phytophthora infestans oomycetes that do causes late blight of potato. But this Deuteromycetes, that is Alternaria solani, causes early blight of potato. In early blight of potato, the leaves develop small oval patches. So in the leaf we find small brown color patches, concentric ring of patches are present. So these oval patches, brown patches are present on the leaf. And these circular necrotic patches, necrotic means these are dead. The patches are dead, black dead color, dark brown dead blackish color. And these patches are mostly done by Cercospora personata. Cercospora personata on groundnut. On groundnut we find that this type of leaf disease are found, that is called as oval brown spot disease is present. Colletotrichum falcatum produces red rot of sugarcane. Yes, we find in the sugarcane, suppose if the sugarcane stem is present, this is the sugarcane stem is present. So normally what happens in the sugarcane stem, we find that certain red colors are present. This red color inside the stem, we find this red color, and this red color is due to the by Colletotrichum falcatum, and this is called as red rot of sugarcane. This red color indicates the red rot of sugarcane. Got it clear? Now, many economically important plants show sudden sign of wilting, and this is due to the blockage of trachary element by this Deuteromycetes. Suppose this is a plant present, and we know very well they have xylem phloem present, and we know very well this is the xylem present, and the xylem contains tracheids and vessels through which conduction of water and minerals do takes place. So normally what happens, now these hypha, these Deuteromycetes, they spread their hypha, and when they spread their hypha into this plant, they block the xylem and phloem. So when they block the xylem and phloem, suddenly what happens? The leaf is unable to get water and starts wilting. So leaf starts getting wilting. So due to this blockage, and this blockage is due to this particular Deuteromycetes. Got it clear? And we find this Deuteromycetes, that is one species that is called as Fusarium oxysporum and Fusarium udum, that causes the main wilt, and these two fungi causes blockage in xylem. They causes blockage in xylem because the hypha penetrate into the vascular bundle, causing blockage in the xylem that do causes wilting in this group of plants. Ringworm or athlete foot disease, we have all got this disease. Most of them we do have seen this disease found, is caused due to Trichophytum interdigitale. Got it? So ringworm of foot or athlete disease or athlete foot disease is caused by the Deuteromycetes called Trichophyton interdigitale. So this is all about the Deuteromycetes fungi. And this Deuteromycetes fungi is called as Fungi Imperfecti because they don't have sexual stage in its life cycle, and only asexual reproduction takes place with the help of Conidia, as we have discussed. And as the higher fungi, they contain septate hypha with branched mycelium, and in between the septa they contain central pore is present. Now, this is only all about your Deuteromycetes general character, and we have discussed certain diseases on Deuteromycetes. Now let's discuss some practice questions. Deuteromycetes are commonly, yes, imperfect fungi. In this fungi, the sexual stage is absent. Yes. So this is the right answer. Got it? Okay, move to second question. Which of the following statement of Deuteromycetes is correct? Let's see. They reproduce only. No, this is not. They reproduce only by formation. No, this is not. Yes. They reproduce by asexual pores, what is called as Conidia is the correct answer. Now, third question, which type of mycelium is present in Deuteromycetes? Branched and septate? Yes. Non-branched? No. The mycelium present septate and branched? Yes, this is the right answer. Okay, the fourth question, which of the following is an example of Deuteromycetes? Rhizopus? No, it is Zygomycetes. Agaricus? No, it is yes, this is Alternaria is the right answer. Got it? And the asexual spores of Deuteromycetes is known as we all know, it is Conidia. It is called as Conidia. So the asexual reproduction is called as what? Conidia. So we have just completed 5 practice questions, but you will get more ample amount of question from this particular site. You can visit this site, or you can go for online exam. Online exam is there. You can easily go for online exam, or you can go for online classes present here. PDF mind maps, worksheets, MCQ questions are also present in this particular site. You can DM directly to get the study materials, and you can clear up any doubt. And if you want to get all study materials, PDF, etc., you can join our Telegram channel to this. So this is all about Deuteromycetes, and we have completed total fungi kingdom. So in our last classes, we have discussed about Basidiomycetes, then we have discussed Ascomycetes, we have discussed Zygomycetes, we have discussed Oomycetes, we have discussed fungi general character. You can watch my old videos and you can go through them. So today we have completed total kingdom fungi. Okay, hope you all enjoyed. Thank you.